My name is Claire, and this is my best friend, Justin. At this point in our trip to Thailand, we've scaled temples in Bangkok, slept in a floating bungalow in Khao Sak National Park, kayaked in Krabi, and spent the day with rescued elephants in Chiang Mai. All of this was filmed in February 2020, before the pandemic shut down the world. Even though there were only 40 cases in Thailand, we exercised an abundance of caution based on the information we had at the time. Everything was going smoothly until I don't feel good. I don't feel good at all. So just don't want to have a cold. They say hindsight is 20/20, but after living through most of 2020, I honestly still don't know what to think. All I know is that the pollution was at dangerous levels in Chiang Mai. I was hopped up on Benadryl, and 24 hours before this video was filmed, this happened.
She pulled my bag to her face and used my bag basically as a tissue and sneezed on it.
You're about to watch a vlog of me making mistakes. Taking too much Benadryl, wearing my mask inside out, wearing the wrong mask in general. I've checked my temperature several times in the past day, and I do not have a fever. I'm wondering how much of what I'm feeling is pollution. How much of what I'm feeling is Benadryl? How much of what I'm feeling is actually being sick? And what do I do about it? I want to be as safe and respectful as possible. Thanks for bearing with me. Enjoy the story of me walking for 8 hours. Good morning, Chiang Mai. We are doing the steps up to the most popular place to watch the sunrise. It is around 6 a.m. We left Chiang Mai at 5:30. I'm not feeling the hottest, but my Motrin's kicking in, so that helps. Good morning. Now we're getting that pink sky. Every single morning since we got here, we've had a beautiful sunrise, but haven't spent sunrise in a place with a view. The one time we have a view. The sun's coming up. I'm sure I saw the sun peeking up over the mountains. I can't believe we're missing it.
So I was looking for a trail because I figured that the monks probably walk down. So I downloaded this app called All Trails. It says there's 97 trails near us.
97?
And the one closest to us is the Doi Sutep Monk Trail. That's about 4 miles.
We just finished up at the temple. We're going to be looking for a hike. We're going to use that to get down to Chiang Mai rather than taking a taxi. See you down the mountain. It looks like the trailhead is down the main road a bit, so try not to get hit by cars. This is intense.
Justin's in heaven. Right now it is 73 degrees and it's gonna be 93 later. It's the perfect time of day to hike. Feels amazing. This trail is beautiful, but I would not recommend hiking up it.
Unless you're like in excellence.
Yeah, if you're a great hiker, hike up it, but
It's literally vertical, like
it's intense.
Yeah.
Justin, go your natural pace for a minute. He's slowing down so much for us. Doing this as a drive is around 30 minutes from the city, and doing this as a walk is probably gonna take around 2 hours, but we'll see how long it takes us. We're going to be walking alongside the road for just a little bit, and then we'll be at the second temple. Matt and Tina are attempting to take a car the rest of the way down. We have found the second half of the Monk's Trail, I think. It's a trail and it's going downhill, so that's promising. We think that there's about 2 miles left, but who knows? So we've been walking a while and we're going nowhere near the city. Chiang Mai is over there. It's wherever we end up, we'll hire a car.
cute lizard.
Lizard? Okay, we're still in the middle of nowhere. So,
Wanna go to the zoo?
we've arrived at the Chiang Mai Zoo. Not on our itinerary at all, but we're here. Okay, we're going to the zoo. The reason that everything is so unassuming is because this is the back entrance to the zoo, not the front entrance. But at the front of the zoo, there's an ATM, so we can pull more money once we get there. We have to walk another kilometer to actually get to the zoo.
And we're usually not zoo people, but we're here, so we might as well go check it out.
We don't know the quality of life of the animals here at the zoo. We do prefer to only partake in zoos that are very, very kind to their animals.
Conservation project.
Yeah. So on the left we have a water park. This is some creepy apocalyptic stuff where there's just nobody here. This shark is probably 20 feet high. Hi, friend. I want to hug him so bad. Love you. This zoo is absolutely huge. If you just walked the perimeter of the zoo, it's over 3 kilometers. I'm feeling a lot of fatigue today. I'm kind of pathetic. I'm just pathetic today. So we're gonna try out the tram and try and get more cash because we're very, very low on cash. And if we get more cash, that'll open up some options for us. The bus is twice as expensive as we thought and we're out of cash. So we don't have a choice, we have to walk. So do you wanna walk that way?
That way? Yeah.
That way's closer to the entrance. Goodbye. So we have a long walk ahead of us.
Let's see a few things, and then let's see if we feel like we have to do the other side or not, or if we're done.
Okay. This roller coaster looks super fun, but it is not currently in operation. Probably best not to actually use it. I'm telling you, this zoo is bizarro, post-apocalyptic, empty. Oh, look at that kitty. What a good kitty. They have a station where you can pay to feed them. I really hope they're not going hungry because of that. We're going to the bird park now. It's got netting really high up, so there's lots of space for the birds to just be free roaming. This is pretty cool. Justin thinks you're handsome. I think you're a little bit derpy. We both like you though. We've made it back to the entrance and we've decided that we're gonna go ahead and head back to the hotel. This zoo is making us a little bit sad. There's some animals that seem like they have enough room and are happy, but there's some animals that really seem bored and are showing a little bit of the signs of anxiety, and it's just making us a little bummed. So we're gonna head out and do some resting and eating. Food and rest. This is what the actual entrance looks like.
If you decide to bring your pets.
There's cages for you to lock up your dogs while you go to the zoo.
Looks like there's an area for water. Bowls.
It's 60 baht for this ride. If we had gotten a taxi from the Grab Taxi app, it would have been 123. We're gonna have a really cool ride. We have 30 minutes before we get home, so it's gonna be a long ride. We're gonna get more water now. 7-Eleven, which is my favorite place. What is red cup? What? An Iwick? What? So this is definitely salt, but I don't know that we need this much salt. So this way I can do some salt gargles. My mom will be happy about that. My whole body almost feels numb. Like if you imagine what it feels like to wake up at 4:30 a.m., which is what we did. And if you were up at 4:30 a.m., the first step you take where you don't quite feel awake yet and your body's kind of wobbly and unstable, I've felt like that the whole day. Thankfully, my throat doesn't hurt as bad, my sinus swelling has gone down. I seem to be getting better. 98.5. It still tastes like hand sanitizer.
Maybe a little irritated, but
A little red?
I don't see anything.
White spots is usually strep, I think.
Yeah, I don't see anything white.
Okay. We picked a restaurant that is only a 2-minute walk from our hotel, so it's super easy to get to, and had good reviews online. I'm feeling okay. It doesn't look open. There's nobody here. They are open. They're just very, very quiet.
Just an off time.
Yeah, we're having dinner at 4 p.m. It's kind of early. I got a chicken over rice with egg and garlic, which I'm interested in seeing how it is.
They got a green curry.
Well, I got Thai milk tea and he got,
Like a honey lemonade.
is it too sweet?
No, that's good.
Perfect,
Really good.
perfect. The mango sticky rice here is 120 baht, which is crazy. But we found something that looks like some of the best mango sticky rice in town for only 40 baht. And it is a 5-minute walk away, so we're gonna do it. Look at this tree, Justin says. That's a cool tree. I like feeling a little better. It makes me optimistic for tomorrow. Well, this is it. And it's closed. What a bummer. Mango sticky rice wasn't meant to be this evening. 7-Eleven candy, it'll have to be.
We're gonna get diabetes.
But I haven't had that much sugar.
2 Thai teas.
That much sugar isn't in Thai tea, really. It's mostly milk. I feel judged. Need to gargle with salt water. I'll make this really salty, because I'm gonna be needing to gargle a bunch for my stinking throat. Bottoms up. That was way too salty! No!
Like half a teaspoon.
Oh, I put like 2 tablespoons. Oh
Take 2. I hate this so much.
What are you doing?
I'm gargling. Is that not how you gargle? How are you supposed to gargle? Wait, how are you being so elegant?
That's how you do it. I hate that there's gonna be gargling videos.
I'm traumatized. I can't. How are you doing that? I apparently don't know how to gargle.
You have to let it go back in your throat.
I did, that's when I gag. Oh god. So I diluted it a little bit more. We'll try again.
Not better.
I'm not letting it get to the back of my throat. That sounded pretty. It looked pretty, but it didn't touch the back of my throat.
No?
No, it was like right here. Before I was letting it go here. Well, when you don't let it go all the way like down into your esophagus, then it's easy. But that's where the pain is in my esophagus. I'm pretty sure I can't put this on YouTube.